Well, this week on Dateline Schools, we're talking about St. Clair County Technical Education Center as they're preparing for their annual open house, which is going to be a week from tonight out at TEC. And to tell us more about it, my special guest is the director of TEC, Pat Yanink. And Pat, I know one thing that's relatively new, but it's been around for a couple of years that really gives your students some great opportunities is your middle college program. Tell us about that.
So the technical middle college program we've had that since 2018, and it allows the students to start taking classes at the community college, St. Clair County Community College, as juniors in high school, and allows them to stay in high school through a 13th year. So they get an extra year of high school, but really that 13th year is spent as a full-time student at the community college taking classes. And we have it in about a little over half of our programs at TEC. So our 3 manufacturing programs, welding, metal machining, engineering and robotics. We've got it in computer programming, digital media, cybersecurity, and then we've got it in health careers and our new education and early childhood development program.
So any idea how many kids are actually taking advantage of this?
Yeah, it's about 25% of the students in those programs, which is a pretty significant number. It's important for people to know that this is a state-approved program that we run in cooperation. We get funding from the Department of Education, Office of Career and Technical Education to help offset the costs. But we also use some of our millage money to help pay for that as well. And it's in St. Clair County, there's no cost to the parents and students that participate in it.
Yeah, and that's probably one of the best benefits for the parents, but I mean, look at the skills that the kids learn as well.
Yeah, and if the student does it right, if we have good articulation, meaning that the student is getting college credit for their time at TEC, the student is at TEC their junior and senior year. They have to start as a junior, I should say that. And if they're at TEC full-time or for half of their day, junior and senior year, then that 13th year, they're a full-time student at SC4, and they're taking a full load of college credits that senior year. So it's really nice in that it lets the student start off part-time at the college and move to a full-time student at the college by the time they finish year 13.
More tomorrow for Dateline Schools. I'm Terry Henry.